Yes! Well, hello everyone. I think y'all have seen my video where I explain I had a fuse board burn up in this unit, and just got the part in right here from Volvo. We'll be replacing it today. The part, here's the relays, and here's what the board looks like. Total redesigned board. It's really flat. It's not the wafer style from my previous video that I showed y'all. It actually looks pretty nice. I think they solved the problem because the board looks like it was a problem. This board was manufactured, redesigned in 2009. This is a 2008 unit. Unfortunately, it just happened that I had the problem now. So I got to put all the fuses from the original board into this board. All the relays, diodes, and that type of stuff. So that's what I'll be doing today. Got some wasp spray here. Because as soon as I open this, you never know, because this has been sitting here for about a week. I could have wasp spray built up because it is getting to be spring around here. So I got some wasp spray just in case. Never know. Never know. Okay, so let's get to the fuse panel. Okay, that's what the old one looks like. I've already unscrewed it, so I got the screws here. So put the screws in the cup for safe keeping. I've already disconnected the hot. Of course, the battery switch is off, so it's not hot. Ah, get right, it's hot out! Ah, somebody turn off the juice! Okay, slide this out. So you can kind of see the panel. See, it's a waffle shape versus this guy is not. So I was concerned about that, and I called Volvo to check and make sure there's nothing special I need to install this with. I got an email back from them saying nope, there's not. Just install it. The spacers here will do fine. It should work. They've been doing it for a long time, so that's what I'll be doing for a while. So I'll give you updates. The board's very well spelled out, and you can see connection 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, the fuse numbers, the relay numbers. So I think it's pretty simple what I'll be doing. It's actually a really nice board. I'm really impressed with it. This is much better on the back, the way it's designed. It's much beefier. Oh, by the way, the issue is, another issue with this board is, this is the two main relays coming in from the 80 amp fuse into here to these two main relays that drives the power across the board. This relay is actually not a positive relay, it's a negative relay for the lights. And that's why it actually burnt up. It arced somehow, either through corrosion or time, and that's why that other board was not designed that well. So if I go back here and look at it, this is where it arced across from these two to this one. And you can see it's not designed very well. See the back, it's quite a bit different. I mean, that's just much nicer. Better separation from positive and negative across the board. So, yep, let me get to it. As you can see now, I've got the new board installed. And probably what I'll be doing is basically starting verifying the numbers, the same numbers up there. Starting with this way, working left to right, and then going down. And basically doing one at a time, put them in the new board. So that's my plan. And also let you know, just a second ago before I put this in, I don't have a screw here or here. One of them was missing for some reason. I'm gonna have to get a new one. The other one is I just dropped over here, so I'm gonna have to go back to the garage and get a magnet bar and see if I can find it here shortly. Okay, give you updates. Okay, let's find that bolt. Oh, I heard it. Let's see. There it is. Got the bolt. That easy. Okay, I'll get back to working again. What's interesting is I get to the diode section. I don't know if you can see it, but my first diode's here. It's one by itself. Then I've got three, and another one by itself here. Here I've got 3, 3, and 2, and the numbers are different. So I've got to make sure I put the right diode in the right position. So this may take me a little time. Plus I saw one bad fuse so far that I'm gonna have to get back. You can see it's just really boogered up. It wouldn't come out correctly, so I'm gonna have to get a new fuse for that. I saw a fuse, a relay that had a bad leg. I'm gonna have to probably order that one or test it out before I energize this board. But that's some of the things I'm running across right now. Keep you updated.